Okay, so let's practice finding first our constant of proportionality because in order to solve for unknown values, you need your k value first. So we're going to find constant of proportionality. If y varies directly with x and y is equal to 12 when x is 3, what is k? First thing I notice is that y varies directly with tells me I have a direct variation problem. So I have a couple things. First off, k is y divided by x. They give me y, they give me x. So we're just going to set that up as 12 divided by 3, which is 4. So my constant of proportionality, or my k value, is 4. Okay, the second problem. If y is a direct variation of x and y equals 27 when x is 15, what is k? So a couple things. Key phrase here is a direct variation of, tells me I have direct variation. They give me y, they give me x. It wants to know what is k. So k is y divided by x, which is 27 over 15. This is simplified to 9 over 5, which is good to keep it simplified. If it asks you to keep it simplified, it needs to be in fraction, or you can also leave it in decimal form. If it doesn't need to be simplified, you just put it in decimal. So for this problem, it is 1.8. So either one of those is acceptable for at least creating the equation you'll need. All right, third problem here. A car travels at a constant speed that is directly proportional to the distance covered. If the car travels 180 miles in 3 hours, find the constant of proportionality. So this time they did not include the variables, but they did use the key phrase is directly proportional to. And so all of questions like these, you're always going to see y varies directly with x. So in this problem here, our speed is our y and our distance, that's our x. Okay. Now, if the car travels 180 miles, so that would be our typically our distance here in 3 hours, we're going to find the constant of proportionality, which is also called the k value. And it needs to be represented as miles per hour. So since they say miles per hour, that's how we're going to want to set it up. So if I set up miles per hour, then the miles that was driven was 180 miles, was driven it in 3 hours. When we do the math on that, 180 divided by 3 gives us 60. So our K is 60 miles per hour. That's how fast the car was traveling.